Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not sending emails issue on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to send emails from your Gmail account, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to check is that make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you are not, you will not be able to send any kind of an email. Once you have the stable internet connection, the next thing to do is to update your Gmail application or simply check if it is updated or not. To find it out, go and tap open your app store, bring up the search box and type in Gmail in the search bar, and if you see an open button right next to the Gmail app, it means that your application is already updated. If it shows update, simply tap on the update button to get the latest version of Gmail app on your iPhone. Once you update your application, most of the problems just solves right here, since the updated version comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement for an application. But if it still does not work, the next thing to do is to simply access setting on your iPhone. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the mail option. Select accounts from the mail tab. Now go ahead and choose the account that you are having problem with. In today's video, it's Gmail, so let's tap on Gmail. Here in this page, simply go to the mail option and enable the button right next to it. Make sure that it is enabled and turn to green, and now go back. Once you make this change, go back to your Gmail app and try sending an email if it still doesn't work. The next thing you could do is to go back to settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you'll be able to see all of the apps listed on this page. Go and tap open Gmail and tap on offload app option. Tap offload app one more time, and doing this will clear out any cache data that has been affecting your application. So simply go and tap on reinstall application again and get the app downloaded on your iPhone. Once you make this change, you might be able to solve your Gmail issue on your iPhone. Another simple thing you should look out for is while sending an email on your Gmail app, make sure that you are typing the correct email address of the recipient. If you're typing in the wrong email address, you won't be able to send the message to the person. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to send any kind of an email on your Gmail app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.